Located 120 miles south of Los Angeles is San Diego, California, where there is sunny weather, scenic beaches, and a rich history of great football.
Let's go, now, let's go. Hey, let's go, man.
While defense wins championships, most of San Diego's charge has been fueled offensively.
Down the field over the top. Gates pulls it in.
What a combination. Rivers to Gates, the best ever.
Woo! Yeah, baby. That's awesome.
To the end zone. Touchdown, Antonio Gates.
Quarterback Phillip Rivers and tight end Antonio Gates set a record for touchdowns by a quarterback-tight end tandem. Powered by electric fans, the Chargers look to dominate the AFC West.